this video I am going to make another one project, simple CAD model project number 8. So all dimensions and views are given in this drawing. So I suggest you, first of all, you should try yourself, then you should visit this video. Okay, that will be helpful for you. So just you take this drawing as a reference and first you try it. If you are getting problem, then you should start. So guys, I am going to start this drawing from the front view. So select your front plane, and in drawing you can see front view, two slots are there. So I'm going to create that slot. So for that, first of all, I'm going to create a rectangle, then I will create circle on both end. So define this rectangle values or slot center to center distance 108, and this width values is 68 mm. Okay, and just create tangent circle, no need to define any dimension. Just trim inside arc and lines. Okay, just close it. So go for a sketch. See, inside same shape actually we need. So just we have to offset that. You can find out the offset distance. Okay, how much offset value is there. So you can calculate from this radius values. Okay, so outer radius minus inner radius. After that you will get that values. Okay, so let's offset this sketch. So go for offset curve and select a curve, not single curve. Just go for connected curve. Yes, now select your curve, connector or tangent, whatever you want to select, you can select, and just change your direction and apply that offset values, whatever offset values is find out. Okay, so I'm getting that values after calculation. 34 minus 15 mean whatever value, that will calculate automatically. So this is your close section. Now just extrude it. Okay, so how much extrude you need, just go for a sketch and go for top view. So value is not clearly visible, so I'm going to take any values more than 34 mm. Okay, because this is the 34 mm, so more than 34 mm. So I'm going to take any approximately random values. So I think 54 mm is okay. Okay, so let's go for next step. So what next step? So this section you are going to create. So first of all, you have to create circle, outer and inner circle with some diameter. So go for back view, just rotate it and go for a sketch. Okay, create both circle. Just a second. Yes, create both circle. You can see here radius values, diameter will be 50, and inner one circle, that is the diameter is 18 mm. So just change your diameter 18 mm and create inside. Okay, so next what you have to do, you have to define dimension, mean position. You have to define what is the circle position actually. So just define the center to the center distance, how much you can see in this drawing, 76 mm. So just define these values, 76 mm. Okay, okay, so this value is defined vertically, and horizontally also we have to define, because this drawing is not fully fixed, you can see here. So also you have to define these values. Okay, so go for this center point and this center. Okay, just coincident or define zero values. I'm going to apply 0. Okay, so next we have to project outer sketches or boundary, you can see. Okay, just click OK and connect a tangent line first. Okay, or project another separately. You can project separately because we don't need all sketches. Just create tangent line. Yes, and then trim your unwanted sketches, because of we need only closed area. So just trim all lines. Bigger circle inside area also you have to trim, just trim it. So this is your closed loop. So now you can extrude this section. Click on that, change your direction first and define values. So go for a sketch and see what is the values, 34 mm. So just define 34 mm. Click OK. Just unite it because all are in single body. Okay, so next you have to apply fillet. just to go for as blend and apply fillet values with that radius values 15 mm. Okay, so after defining fillet, next step is there. You can see this is the rib face. You can see also you can apply rib, or also you can create a closed loop and then you can extrude. So according to your convenient you can create. Just hide this sketch. So I'm going for a sketch on back view, back face actually. Just project on both circle. Just project with single curve. Yes, this section also you can project. Okay, simple. Just create a tangent line. Okay, and trim outside sketches unit closed loop only. Just close it, and the next extrude this loop. Change direction, apply that values. How much? 22 mm. You can see in drawing. Just apply 22 mm. Click OK. This is already unite, so no issue. No need to change. Sorry, I have to hide this sketch, not that feature. So now you can see your model is created. Go for isometric. You can see this is your model, and also you can compare with this your model. You can see this is your uh, sketch model. This is your created final model. So like that you can create your models. If you want to apply appearance, you can change your appearance, any color, anything you can apply here. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you understand.